I was not really ready to accept the ticket. When I saw your invitation, I just rushed to put on my t-shirt, and then I just accepted your invitation. Well, where are you from?
Okay. I'm from Australia. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Wow, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
So,
how did you learn English? You learnt it on this app or you learnt it where you're from?
well, that's really a significant question that I didn't get this kind of question from my guest, but you did. I learned English by conversation mainly, and I had a girlfriend from United States back in 2016, and she just taught me very well. But it was really long gap between 16 to 24. I started to improve my skill more than the 2016. I think this application is far more significant, that because I would find so many communities people just here that will help me to boost up my confidence.
Amazing. I wish you the best.
Yeah. What do you do for yourself?
Me?
Yep.
Like, what do I do for work?
For work.
I work in a hospital.
Well, it's really a good work, because working at the hospital need hard patience and need to be more humanity. You have to see some things like that. That cannot be possible for everyone. So you are doing this really, so appreciate for you.
I've only been on this app a handful of times, so like I just had someone on before and I didn't know how to remove him. So Adam had to help me.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks, Adam.
Well, what brings you interest using this application?
Just meeting different people all over the world. So
Okay.
For me, I like to meet different people.
Mm-hmm.
And people who are like
Really?
outside of my country.
Mm-hmm. Really good things. What kind of interest just attract you looking at the different communities?
I just like having conversations with people.
Well,
what are you trying to aim at being on this PK with me? I'm just trying to understand what your aim is.
as I said you, I'm learning English, and that's because I'm using this application. If you speak with me, I try to listen attentively, because you are the native speaker. When you talk to me with other people, I try to understand what you are saying, how you are delivering your voice and stress. I'm trying to understand those kind of stuff as well.
What do you do for work?
Well, I'm a YouTuber. At the same time, I have a small business. A small business that I execute from my home. No, it's okay. And I have chicken farm.
Okay.
That's what I do.
Is that your chicken business? Is that what it is?
All right.
I have chickens as well.
You have?
Yeah.
How many chickens you have?
I have, I think, 18.
18. Wow. Do they lay egg?
Yep.
Wow.
Every day we have like 8, 9, 10 eggs.
Every day? Wow, how interesting it is. And I have got so many rooster, and I'm gonna sell them to the market, and I want to more produce the egg chicken.
Or do you sell the eggs?
Yeah, I do sell eggs, I do sell rooster, and some egg chicken also when they get older. We have had already significant conversation. I enjoyed it.
You're so nice, Gazi.
Thank you.
Join anytime you would like.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And finally, just say in a word how do you assess my conversation?
I think you have the confidence there. You do have some interest, so just keep it going.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.